Eonon FDMX6S Review, Real Test of 12.1-inch Wireless CarPlay Upgrade for Ford F-150. You've been squinting at that tiny factory screen for years now, trying to follow directions while your phone sits uselessly in the cup holder. One friend upgraded his F-150's display, and now navigation actually makes sense at a glance. Meanwhile, you're still fumbling with cables every single morning just to play music. That frustration builds quietly, doesn't it? Ever feel like you're driving yesterday's tech in today's world? Every commute becomes this exhausting ritual of plugging in, waiting for connection, missing turns because the screen's too cramped to read quickly. The factory audio sounds flat and lifeless no matter how you adjust it. Hours wasted wrestling with outdated interfaces. The mental drain of knowing your truck could feel modern but doesn't. That relief you crave, clearer navigation, instant wireless connection, richer sound, it exists, closer than you think. Then I discovered the Eonon FDMX6S car radio compatible with 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150, and everything shifted instantly. Here's what you need to know. Don't just grab any aftermarket car stereo. Make sure it has true plug-and-play installation with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a built-in DSP so you never deal with lost factory features, cable frustration, and terrible sound quality again. This isn't some generic universal unit. The FDMX6S delivers a massive 12.1-inch IPS touchscreen that transforms your dashboard, wireless connectivity that works the second you start your truck, officially licensed DTS surround sound that makes factory speakers sound twice as expensive, a Qualcomm QCM6125 processor with 4 GB RAM for zero lag, built-in DSP with automotive-grade Essai 47925 chip for professional audio tuning, and complete retention of steering wheel controls, backup camera, climate display, heated seats, and parking sensors. One busy contractor was seconds from missing a critical job site turn when his new FDMX6S navigation appeared instantly on that crystal clear 12.1-inch screen. He spotted the exit with total clarity and arrived exactly on time. That's the kind of reliable upgrade we're talking about. And the long-term benefits? They stack beautifully. 6 months in, users describe a completely transformed driving experience. Time saved every single morning with automatic wireless connection, sharper focus on the road with navigation that's actually readable at a glance, better daily control over audio and climate without fumbling through buried menus, and measurable improvements in call quality and entertainment enjoyment. One automotive electronics expert said the built-in DSP is a pro-level feature rarely found at this price point, allowing for genuine sound system tuning that extracts performance from factory speakers you didn't know was possible. A Ford F-150 lifestyle influencer shared, "The wireless CarPlay connects within seconds every time I start the truck. No cable needed, no fiddling, it just works. And the 12.1-inch display makes navigation a completely different experience." A 2019 Lariat owner with the B&O system added, "With the A507 decoder box, my premium sound system sounds phenomenal through the FDMX6S. The DSP time alignment created a focused soundstage I didn't think my speakers were capable of." Worried about losing factory features during installation? The plug-and-play design keeps everything: steering wheel controls, backup camera with guidelines, climate display, heated seats, door warnings, parking sensors, all working exactly as before, just displayed on a vastly superior screen. Which upgrade benefit would transform your daily drive most? Instant wireless connection, professional audio tuning, or that massive crystal-clear display? Imagine starting your truck tomorrow and watching your navigation, music, and calls appear instantly on a brilliant 12.1-inch display, while factory features continue working flawlessly. Thousands of F-150 owners already experience this daily transformation and describe it as the single best upgrade they've made to their trucks. The Eonon FDMX6S turns outdated factory tech into a modern, connected driving experience. Calmer, faster, sharper, more in control. I've dropped the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. Click through and explore what this upgrade could mean for your daily drive. You deserve technology that actually works.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.